Adam here with Brooksaw Antiques. Today we have this 1941 Remington De Luxe Model 5 vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The margins are located behind the carriage flip panel here, and you just tilt this edge and you can move them. Just want to make sure that they're in between the two paper fingers on the front platen so you don't get stuck on them. So we'll test those out real quick. Looks good. It does have a little paper guide here that's stationary. You can't adjust it. It's right on the edge. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit this line space, get you back to the beginning. It skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single. But if you want double, there is a little knob in the inside here. If you pull it out and rotate it towards the back, it will skip 2. Pull it out and rotate it towards the front, it just skips 1. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Beautiful typing machine. Really nice print. Has Elite typeface which prints 12 characters per inch. The paint finish is a crinkle flat black. Really nice condition except for that little scratch right there. But other than that, it's a really nice condition typewriter. To pull the page out easy, there's a little switch back here. You flip it back and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page or else it won't load correctly. Shift on each side and a shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Self starter is just basically a tab function, but it's only set to skip 5 spaces when you hit it. So you can't manually set that. Above that is the color selector switch. When you flip that up to the top, it prints the bottom portion of the ribbon. So if you have a black and red ribbon, that would print the bottom portion. If you have it all the way down, it prints the top portion of the ribbon. Sometimes the ribbon can get caught up. If you have it in the middle, it doesn't print any ink at all. It just leaves a stencil for copying purposes. We're going to leave that all the way down for black. Backspace is above that. Very nice. Touch control in the middle here. The farther right you go, it goes from 1 to 5. The more tension there is when you hit the keys. You do have to hit them a little harder for them to print, but they respond faster. And this little key here is the margin release. When you get to the end of the margin, we're going to put that closer to the middle so we don't get stuck on that paper finger when I'm testing this. It blocks you from printing, but if you hit that margin release, it'll allow you to go all the way to the end or until you get stuck on that paper finger. All the brand new ribbon is loaded on the left side, so it's pulling to the right. And if you want to switch that direction on either side, you just push it in to the direction you want it to go. So I just push it in towards the left, and now it's going to turn. It's going to pull counterclockwise to the left. You pull it out, and it's clockwise to the right, and you can wind that up. It's pretty cool. Carriage release. I believe there's one on each side. Very smooth. Yep, there's one on each side on this model. Very nice. Very well conditioned typewriter. If you push in this button here at the end of the knob, it disables the spacing so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You let it go. That actually locks in when you turn it. So you got to turn it. If you push it in and turn it, it'll lock. And then you push it and turn it clockwise, it'll unlock. And when you do that, you get the clicks. Also, there is a little lever on the inside here that locks the carriage in the middle. So you pull it towards the knob a little bit and up towards the front. It will lock the carriage in the middle like that. To unlock it, you just pull it up towards the knob and back, and that will unlock it. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.